In this video, I am going to explain the YouTube TV Entertainment Plus bundle and what it offers for subscribers. The Entertainment Plus bundle is an optional add-on that combines popular premium services, HBO Max, Starz, and Cinemax, with your YouTube TV subscription. Priced at $16 per month, on top of the base $72.99 YouTube TV plan, it's a great value for fans of movies, exclusive shows, and original content. With this bundle, you'll get access to HBO Max's extensive library of series like Succession and The Last of Us, Starz' premium movies and shows like Outlander, and Cinemax's action-packed films and specials. Instead of subscribing to these services separately, the bundle saves you money while expanding your entertainment options. To add the Entertainment Plus bundle, go to your YouTube TV account settings, select Add-ons, and toggle on the Entertainment Plus package. Keep in mind that these services are integrated into the YouTube TV app, so you can easily browse and watch their content alongside live TV. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand the YouTube TV Entertainment Plus bundle, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.